Hello guys, good morning. So today is Thursday. Want to take our breakfast. The Bryson want to eat this one, sandwich, egg mayo sandwich with cheese.
Then we take out the ham.
He don't like the ham, but cheese, okay?
The ham. Order without the ham.
Mommy and Daddy order this one. Mipo. Waiting for our Mipo again, guys. We are at 38th Street. Now it's 6:40. There, Bryson Mama. Got a lot of fruit there, behind there. They just leave it there, the fruit.
Daddy here also got aeroplane.
Mipo, guys. Daddy want jenau merah, Mami want putih. There, Mami want putih. Okay guys, we eat first. There. Lanjut makan. Okay guys, lanjut makan. There, Bryson. Okay. As usual guys, we take our breakfast at 38th Street. The Bryson order Shelby.
Tiga rasa.
Tiga rasa. There guys, we order for what you call it now? Yeah. Okay guys, so we want to eat first. Lanjut makan. Breakfast today Friday.
Because Friday you
Feel lazy ya today Friday. Okay. This one is seaweed. This one is no seaweed. They give the sauce there. Sauce.
Normal.
Give it the sauce. No. Huh? Okay.
Hello guys, so we are to Muslim Republic. Bryson eat kampami.
Bryson eat kampami there.
It's a nice food. Mommy hungry want to eat this food. Mommy just eat kampami.
Mami and Daddy eat kampami later. Kampami pula. Mipo.
Kampami
Merah.
Nah.
Shelby middle.
Bryson ask for the one ask for kampami. Kampami putih, not ketchup lah. He don't like ketchup one.
I have ketchup.
Got chili sauce there.
No, not ketchup. Sour.
Salah tekan.
They got 3 flavor. Okay guys, Mami Bryson and Daddy Bryson also. Our food already arrived. Mipok. Mipok merah.
And kampami.
Kampami.
Okay.
What is wrong?
Udah merah guys. Kuah merah. Kuah merah.
Bawang merah.
Oke guys, lanjut makan. Hungry already.
Hungry person, huh?
Makan ah.
Oke.
Yesterday we just tried the pizza there.
There, got car, got car. Come. Careful, careful. Hey, wait. Wait, careful. Come. Okay, this side. There you go. Hey, wait. One more time, huh? One more time. Go down here, down. See our flower, guys. No, you need to bring it there. Bring it there.
Then this cup,
Bring it there. Come. Turn to the left.
Where?
That side. Okay, go. Okay. Correct. Okay, go. Left, huh?
Where?
This side, there. Here. Follow mommy here, see. This. There. Be careful.
Really fast, I didn't have to bike.
Hello guys, welcome to our cooking channel. So now I want to cook for lunch, guys. Okay, stay tuned. See what I cook. I want to fry fish today. I already marinate the fish. Okay, we see what fish. What fish? What fish? Tilapia, guys. I already marinate in the tepung and turmeric powder and salt. So it's tepung beras, guys. Put the fish. Take it over. Okay. Dapat lagi kalau begitu. Coba. Okay, next I want to cook white radish, guys. White radish. Okay, guys. First of all, put oil. Oil. The rest we want to make soup. This soup. Put the ginger. Put the meat. white radish. Okay, we wait for this to boil. Okay, cover it. Cover it. You guys ready boiling? Tes. Nice guys. Radish with chicken meat. Okay, masuk lagi guys. Cover again. Okay guys. Already softened. Yes. Hey guys, white radish with chicken ready.